help me get the coolest job in the world. If you want this, join today.
This morning I woke.
Hey, I'm Rich, repping North East England. The best part of this is just shredding down those slopes right over there all day long.
This morning and maybe forever, I move with regard for the signs. You know I've searched my heart to prove there's better ways to push and pull. Hey, whatever gets you through these days.
Hey, I'm James, I'm from Byron Bay, Australia. The best part is just learning, getting better at snowboarding.
This is the best training available on the mountain, and after a successful level 1 exam, I was fully prepared and fully qualified to begin instructing.
And somewhere to the east, the sun is stirring, starting to light up the sky. And I'm lying here reliving the last few days, 'cause I missed most of them the first time.